Government are really standing behind us. I think the social pact we've got with Labour in terms of being flexible, and then the support we have from our major shareholder who are prepared to underwrite a rights offer. I think if all of those come to pass, we've got a fighting chance.
If things don't come to pass in the way that you anticipate, how high are the stakes?
Extremely high. It's 13,500 people. It's all in or all out. That's our view.
Now, you've indicated that you're in talks with government around the anti-dumping duty, but you say that 10% isn't enough. Can you just speak a little bit about what you mean?
The first 10% is the one that government has already negotiated with the World Trade Organization, so customs duties, they're allowed to go up to 10%. Anything above that, you need to go what they call a safeguard or an anti-dumping duty. And we're saying that we've got a lot of support for it, but it's very onerous and difficult to get those in place. Many other countries have, and it's a brand new process for us, and we're applying for all our products. So it's the uncertainty of it that's creating nervousness, not the backing and intent and commitment we're getting from government. I mean, that's significant.
Just give us a sense of the impact of Chinese material that's coming into the economy. How has that affected you?
It's killing us. The imports as a percentage of monthly steel consumption in South Africa is over 40% imports. Because the lowest price wins, China's prices, which are not sustainable, are coming in at prices here we could never compete in. No one in the world can produce at those levels. So it's killing the industry.
There are a number of people who are going to be affected by your Vaal melt shop shutdown. Just tell us what you're going to do with those people.
We're very respectful that we need to find a home. So we will be offering them those who are able to do early retirement. And for those who can't, we are looking at across Newcastle, Thunderbell to see if we can relocate, look up at the vacancies. The worst position would be that we actually have to retrench somebody. I mean, we just don't want to do that, but that may be the outcome.
Judge Dennis Davis of the Davis Tax Committee has indicated that he's going to be discouraging government from levying a carbon tax in these difficult economic times. Presumably you would agree with him?
Oh yeah, no, we think a carbon tax, I mean, I support the government's views on carbon emissions and what we need to do as a country, but carbon tax at this stage is just a no-go for us.
And then lastly, Paul, you've indicated that you're going to be issuing a rights issue. You're going to be going to shareholders asking for money. Just elaborate as to why you're doing that.
This company has lost its financial resilience, and it's lost it since 2008. It's just in the last 18 months with the trading conditions, it's just completely lost its ability to sustain itself. We've had our group shareholders support us through a period, but now we actually need to go to the shareholders and ask for their support, their courage and their commitment to us, because we do believe we've built most of the building blocks. So we'll be going to the market in January for a 4.5 billion rand rights offer. The Arcelor Mittal Group is underwriting at 100%, but we hope and encourage all our other shareholders to participate.
Paul O'Flaherty from Arcelor Mittal, not looking good for Arcelor Mittal or Lonmin, the platinum producer, meaning that thousands of jobs are at stake. They both need cash from shareholders to keep going, basically. Now let's move